Good morning. Happy Monday. It is about 6:30 here my time. It's rainy outside. Not my favorite weather, but that's okay. I hope you are gearing up for a great Monday and a great week. And I'm just popping on here this morning to share a really short math tip or math strategy that might be helpful with your students. This would be good if you are an upper elementary math teacher or perhaps a sixth or seventh grade math teacher with students who are struggling to find least common multiple. So looking at least common multiple today. And this would be good perhaps if you wanted to have students keep this in their notebook or use it as an anchor chart. Not that they're necessarily going to draw a big, huge M every time they find least common multiple, but it would be great for their notes. So all they need to do is put the numbers they're finding the least common multiple for up here in the chart, in the M. And then along the side, I have my kids put this along the outside. They put the multiplication tables, 8 times 1, and then the answer inside is 8. 8 times 2, 16. 8 times 3, 24. 8 times 4, 32. And I would normally actually start with the smaller number, but because this was closer to me, I started with this one on this side. Okay, and then sixes, they would do 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2, 12. 6 times 3, hopefully I'm not making a mistake because I'm live and it's early in the morning. 18. 6 times 4, 24. Oh, and I got to a 24. 24 is on both sides. So I have students stop right there, circle the 24, and then put their 24 right here as their LCM. Now, if they were doing it just in their own work and not as a notebook thing, not to keep in their notebook, I would just have them make an M simply like that, put the 6 and the 8 there, and they could still write the multiplication tables out here. You know, it might help them as far as learning them a little bit more quickly, writing them down, having them as a visual there, but they don't have to. They could just go ahead and write the 6, the 12, the 18, and write it that way as they're going down. But that is about it. That's my quick strategies, quick tip for today. Tomorrow we're going to look at LCM in another way. So we'll look at another way to find LCM in case your students are having any difficulty with that. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful Monday.